Hello, friends. Welcome to my kitchen. Pour water into a pot. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir gently. Cut 5 potatoes into medium-sized cubes. Memories of peeling potatoes at the kitchen table with our mothers or grandmothers often come rushing back during moments like this. Friends, it's wonderful to know where you're watching from. Share your city and country and US friends. Tell me your state as well. Add the cubed potatoes to the pot. Stir again. Let cook for 20 to 30 minutes, or until the potatoes are soft. Pour a little olive oil into a frying pan. Feel free to ask any questions about the recipe in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I see them. Finely chop 1 onion. Today, we're making a dish that brings with it the warmth of the past, something that feels like it came straight out of a family kitchen, where love was the main ingredient, and every meal told a story. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it. It's a simple way to show your support. Add it to the pan. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes until soft and golden. Finely dice 1 carrot. Add it in. Stir well. Finely chop 1 red bell pepper. Add to the pan. Stir again. Add 1 pound or 450 grams of ground beef. Stir and break it apart gently with a spatula. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, mix well and continue to stir fry for 5 to 7 minutes. There's a certain comfort in the sizzle of ground beef hitting a warm pan, the scent rising like something familiar, something from Sunday dinners long ago. Finely dice 1 tomato, add it to the pan, stir well. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of tomato paste. Mix all ingredients well. Grate 2 garlic cloves on a mini grater. Add to the pan, stir well. Cover with a lid and let it stew for another 5 to 7 minutes. Now check the potatoes for doneness. Drain the cooked potatoes through a sieve. Transfer to a large bowl. Add 1/2 stick, or 60 grams of butter. Add 1 egg. Mash until smooth and creamy. As we mash, we remember how mashed potatoes were always a favorite on the table. Soft, buttery, and made with love. Finely chop a small bunch of parsley. Add to the mashed potatoes. Mix well. Grate 3 ounces or 120 grams of Parmesan cheese. Take a baking dish, grease it with olive oil. Spread the oil evenly using a brush. Form the mashed potatoes into small balls using your hands. Lightly grease your hands with olive oil to help shape them. There's something calming about shaping food by hand. It's a task that connects us to generations before, who didn't rely on machines, but on care and experience. Create a small well in the center of each ball, just as you see in the video. Place a small amount of grated Parmesan cheese inside each well. Uncover the pan. Stir the beef mixture once more. Take off the heat. Fill each mashed potato well with the prepared meat and vegetable filling. Grate 2 ounces or 60 grams of cheddar cheese. Sprinkle it over the top of each portion. Place the baking dish in the oven. Bake for 30 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. While everything is baking, cut several cherry tomatoes in half. These will be used to garnish the final dish. Remove the dish from the oven. Arrange some stuffed potato nests on a serving plate. few halved cherry tomatoes for a fresh and colorful touch. That's it. Golden mashed potato nests filled with rich, savory ground beef and vegetables, topped with a bubbling cheese. A cozy dish that brings everyone to the table. This is the kind of food that feels like home, where every bite carries warmth and care. I hope that this recipe will bring as much joy to your family as it has brought to mine. Thank you for cooking with me today. Until next time, happy cooking.